In Bhrigu Nandi Nadi, basically Jupiter is native. So Jupiter is very important planet in Bhrigu Nandi Nadi. Characteristics of native will depend on the planet which is placed with Jupiter and the zodiac sign in which Jupiter is placed. So, for example, let us take Sun plus Jupiter. Now, what is Sun? Sun is father, Sun is son, Sun is deity, spiritual, government, boons, name and fame is also Sun. So, if there is a combination of Sun plus Jupiter, where Jupiter is the native, then as per Jupiter horoscope, Sun will be in first house. Native will be powerful. Native will have ego. Native will also have attitude. Native will be practical, spiritual, pious, strong. Native will look like father. But zodiac is also important here. In which sign Jupiter is placed with Sun. One more important thing that you have to consider is that which planet is in the second house and which planet is in the 12th house and which planet is in the 7th house from Jupiter, because these houses are supporting houses. So the planets in these houses, they will give support. But if there is no planet in the second house, this is true for any planet. If in second house there is no planet, that means behind there is no planet, ahead there is no planet, and in the 7th house there is no planet. Then what happens? There is no support. Then the planet becomes very weak. Even if the planet is in exaltation, if it is exalted, even then the planet becomes weak, and therefore this will impact the results also. If there is combination of Mercury with Mars, so this is a bad combination. Why? Because there will be break in education and the native will not get along with his brothers, so there will be dispute. But yes, because Mercury and Mars combination is there, then definitely native will get property. Saturn plus Venus. Saturn plus Venus is a very good combination. So the native will get success after marriage, because Venus is money and Saturn is success. So after marriage, native becomes rich. Saturn plus Mercury plus Rahu plus Venus. Now this is a very good combination. Basically it's a wealthy combination. Person is the native will be rich, will be wealthy, because Saturn is success Saturn is work. And basically why? Because all these planets are okay. Venus is there, and but when a Rahu is added to this combination, what happens? Rahu is expansion. So money is increased. Here if there was Ketu, then money would have shrunk. But because there is Rahu, wealth increases. Venus in Cancer. So Cancer, Lord of Cancer is Moon. So mother, sister will have health issues. Saturn is ahead of Venus. If Saturn is ahead of Venus, then wife will work. Or you can even say that wife should work. Because if wife is not working, then there will be problem.